Shoot. That fell in. Alright, get the stuff loaded. Bows in the rack. These work really good for hauling your bows. Just back, but get ready to load up, head out. Rock and roll.
Yeah, we're gonna barely be able to get through there.
Oh boy, the fish are gonna be concentrated.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, big wakes. Big wakes, folks. Orcas. So the kids are gonna go off kayaking. Wife and I decided we're gonna walk around and try to put the sneak on some big heads over here. If we connect on one, you're gonna flip out. These things are monsters, so stay tuned. Could get nuts. There's some huge wakes out here. We're gonna try to sneak around on top of them. There's a big wake right there. That's one of those big 50-pounders. So we worked around up here where the sun's to our back so we can see better into the water, but it's already 90 something. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. It is hot. Just gotta wait. Okay, I'm overheating. I'm gonna get in to cool off. I'm about to go down. Oh, the water's like 80 something. This is crazy. Got chapstick in my pocket. Cooling down now, folks. Ah. Decided to come up a little higher so I can see down into the water. Clarity's not the best. There's a big one out there, man. Come on, come in closer. Oh, no, it's way too far. Dang. Oh, rope limit. These dirty dogs. All right, I'm gonna head back to the truck, get rehydrated. It's hot. Wife finally gave up for a while. She's out cruising around. We'll come back, cruise around the other side, see what we see. Big turtle right out there. I thought I'd just set a line for giggles. See what's in here. Little catfish.
Aww.
Look at that, folks.
It's cute.
Okay, folks. A little fun catfishing. This is a dandy. Oh man, I might have to get the gaff. Burning line. Might be able to walk them up on the bank. Oh, that's a big catfish, folks. Wow, daddy. Looked like a flathead.
It's big.
It's a big one. I got 33-pound test on.
Woo!
Well, look at this dude.
I'm just about to walk over there and get it.
Yeah, he's a nice one. Burning line. Ooh, baby. Come on. Oh, he's got some fight in him. Okay, I'm just going to try to walk him up on the bank here. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, man. Oh, look out.
Did he get you?
Nope. Dandy. Got some fight in him. I only had this out not even 2 minutes, maybe 30 seconds. Fish fry. Oh yeah. He's an eater, I bet. Yeah, man. They only bite good when it's about 100 degrees out. Cool.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
Look at that. Oh, I missed him. There we go. This is all within about 25 minutes, folks. This is crazy. I got a chest full of fish already. Oh, he's got some girth. Nice. That's a good eater right there. Good looking fish too. I haven't seen any parasites on them or anything. Get in here. Huh? You bet. Alright, hasn't even been 2 minutes. Oh baby. Another nice eater. Heck yeah. I'll take them pound and a halfers. I gotta cool off. Overheat. Whoa. It's hot.
I know.
Wow. Game on. This is the last fish. I can't fit any more in the cooler. This is crazy. It's only about 30 minutes of fishing. Right on. Got another one. Yeah, they're already burned out. Alrighty. Yep, another good eater. Fish fry. Alright. Okay. Well, our main goal is to come out here and shoot some big fish, but catfish, take it. They're having fun swimming, kayaking, so why not? We'll come back and get on these. Go back to my films from last year. You'll see some monsters we shot out of here. Incredible. Well, they finally got hooked in the lip like they're supposed to. That's a nice change. The other ones are just inhaling it. Cool. Oh, you lost your supper there. I thought I'd cruise up on this other side and see what's going on. Got a cooler full of catfish. And I'd like to shoot some fish today though. That was my main objective. I'm happy with the results so far. Oh. Yeah. Oh, dang it. I think I missed him. Shoot. That fell in. This one left-handed. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get up there on the bank line. I can't see out of the kayak good enough. Coming ashore. Swing and a miss. Starboard side. Ah, it's hot. Well, looks like everybody's burned out and ready to go. Not too many people can hang with me for a day. I don't blame them. Well, we're back at the HQ. It was a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a really good time. It was hot. I'm all showered up, cooled off. Had a nice cold beer. Got the fish cleaning station set up. Getting ready to clean a nice jag of fish. Probably about 20 pounds there. Not too bad for 30 minutes worth of work. So like it if you like it. Share if you did. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll be going back up there soon, I think. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll talk to you later. And thanks for all my new subscribers. I really appreciate that. Talk to you later. Well, look what I found in one of the stomachs. Crawfish claw. I think I'll be taking the trap up there next time. Cool.